Will frying chicken in olive oil affect its taste?
Welcome to today's video where we'll explore if frying chicken in olive oil has any impact on its taste. We'll discuss the unique characteristics of olive oil and how it interacts with chicken during the frying process. Let's dive right in.
What is olive oil?
Olive oil is a liquid fat obtained from olives, which are the fruits of the Olea europaea tree. Olive oil comes in various grades, such as extra virgin, virgin, and pure. The highest quality, extra virgin olive oil, is known for its rich flavor and numerous health benefits.
How does olive oil affect the taste of fried chicken?
When you fry chicken in olive oil, the oil's unique flavor profile can indeed influence the taste of the final dish. Extra virgin olive oil has a fruity, slightly bitter, and sometimes peppery taste that can enhance the flavor of your fried chicken. However, this effect may be more pronounced if you're using a milder or less seasoned chicken recipe.
Is olive oil suitable for frying?
While olive oil can be used for frying, it's important to consider its smoke point, the temperature at which it begins to break down and produce smoke. Extra virgin olive oil has a relatively low smoke point, around 320 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius, which means it can degrade and lose its health benefits when used for high-heat cooking like frying. For a better frying experience, opt for pure or light olive oil with a higher smoke point, around 465 degrees Fahrenheit, 240 degrees Celsius, to preserve the oil's integrity and reduce the risk of burning.
Are there other oil options for frying chicken?
Yes, there are several alternatives to olive oil that can also yield delicious fried chicken. Some popular choices include canola oil, peanut oil, and vegetable oil, all of which have high smoke points and neutral flavors that won't compete with the taste of the chicken. In summary, frying chicken in olive oil can affect its taste, adding a unique and flavorful dimension to the dish. However, it's essential to choose the right type of olive oil for frying and consider alternative oils if you prefer a more neutral flavor. Happy frying!